Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move. Today, we're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Natalia Kenijevich, watching Nike in the after hours.
Yes, guys, I'm looking at shares of Nike, the tickers NKE. Shares are currently up by 0.8%, and they climbed by as much as 4%. So basically, results came better than expected. We see strength in wholesale business, North America segment overall. Revenue came at $11.7 billion. Analysts expected $11 billion. Meanwhile, sales fell by 1% on a currency-adjusted neutral basis. And overall, these results underscore that efforts to restructure business are kind of doing well. We see that Nike is clearing out old inventories and also working with wholesale segment overall.
Yeah, we talked to our Poonam Goyal, too, of Bloomberg Intelligence, and very pleased in terms of what we got from the company today. CoreWeave, this was one in the regular trade that also rallied in today's session.
Exactly. So the stock finished the day up by 11.7%. Of course, it was huge news today. CoreWeave agreed to supply computing power to Meta platforms worth of $14.2 billion. And of course, as a part of this agreement, CoreWeave will provide access to the latest NVIDIA's chips. Bloomberg Intelligence analysts are saying that this is a very good development as it kind of eases a little bit reliance on big customers. We know that Microsoft accounts for about 70% of its revenue and customers. However, many analysts also emphasize that it's also a matter of debt, a matter of leverage, because yes, the company has all these contracts, but now it's a matter of financing. Overall, the stock is up by almost 250% since its IPO.
And we're going to just mention Lithium Americas because the U.S. government agreed to acquire a stake in the company. Secretary of Energy Chris Wright saying on Bloomberg TV, giving a boost to the Canadian company as it develops its Thacker Pass lithium project in Nevada. And so we did see this one in the aftermarket, Tim, moving higher.
Yeah, ticker for that is LAC, up in the after hours.
Yeah, so definitely
but some triple-digit moves last week, closed up close to 100%. Up more than 90% so far this year.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.